Hello friends, welcome to Android Gateway YouTube channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how to pass Gotranscript MCQs test. So before starting video, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel. So first of all, you must read these Gotranscript transcription guideline rule. These guideline rule is very important. You must read all these guidelines all the way to the end. This will help you during the MCQs test as well as audio test. Because audio test is very important, you must apply all these transcription guideline rule into the audio test. So this full verbatim section, clean verbatim section, all these sections are very important. You must read all these sections all the way to the end 1 to 2 times. This will help you during the MCQ test as well as audio test. So after reading these transcription guideline, let's move to the MCQ test first and start the MCQ test. So let's start the MCQ test. And first question is, how should you transcribe a spell word? So there is 4 different options. We simply check in transcription guideline rules using Control plus M and check the spell. So if a speaker spells a word or a name, for example, my name is Anna, then in this way spell a word A-N-N-A. So dash are used between the character. So that's why first question answer is D. D is the correct option of first question. Second question is, if the audio has no sound. If the audio has no sound, so we simply check in transcription guideline the audio sometime the quality of audio or video file is variable, so please let us know about it and we will contact the client and provide a refund for a file. So that's why I think like a client, if audio is not playing for a technical reason, report this file and do not submit. So first option is correct option. The girl is in her late. So there is 3 different option and correct option is the A, 20s. If you have any doubt, simply check transcription guideline rule to get the answer of this question as well. So next question is fourth question, and question is, how should abbreviation and look? So it should not contain dash or periods. So we simply check abbreviation in transcription guideline, and here is abbreviation and should not contain dashes and periods. So this is the right and this is the wrong. So according to the transcription guideline, first option, it should not contain dashes or periods. This option is correct option of fourth question. Fifth question is, my eyes dash below, and there is 4 different options, and correct option of this question is my eyes are below. R is the correct option because eyes are plural, so that's why R option is correct. and which is the correct format according to the Go transcription guidelines. She said to me and said she come to me and said I am from. So this word is not spelled correctly. So that's why this option is not correct. B option and C, D and E. So this sixth question answer is second one B. This is the correct format of spells a word. So that's why sixth question answer is B. Seventh question, if there is an etc. in the audio, what should you do? Transcribe etc. as a part of audio, leave etc. transcribe it as etc. So simply check in transcription guideline, copy this word and paste here and check etc. Do not remove the word etc. unless the client or otherwise in the comment section. So we do not remove, and also here expression should be kept recorded as option. So that's why transcribe etc. as a part of the audio is the correct option of the seventh question. Eighth question is, if there is a word that you cannot hear due to heavy background noise, what do you have to do? So there is three different options, and if you cannot hear due to, simply check transcription guideline. If you cannot hear what word is being said, mark that is unaudible and unreachable to specify the time. And here is use this tag when speech can be heard, but it cannot be understand the speaker minor of speech. So that's why eighth question answer is C. Mark it as an unable with the correct time according to the audio. Ninth question is, what is the correct way to mark false starts in full var BTM? So false starts in full var BTM. So here we see these double dashes are used when there is a false start. So this double dashes are used. So that's why first option is correct option. I went to, then double dashes I slept well last night. So A is the correct option. 10th question is, I dash a good student. So this question answer is I am a good student. M is the correct option of 10th question. After all, you need to click on confirm. After clicking on confirm, you move to the next page of Gotranscript audio test. So please check video description. There is a link for audio test. So I hope this video is helpful for you, and I also upload a video on audio test as well. So please like this video and subscribe my channel for more latest updates. Thank you very much. See you soon.